Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video what we're going to talk about is the best online business to start in 2019, especially if you're a beginner or something like that. This is the best online business to start in 2019. So if you're ready for it, let's get started. So you might have guessed this one, but the best online business to start in 2019 is to smash that subscribe button and as well as that like button. But really, to really say what is the best online business to start in 2019, this is affiliate marketing. You might have guessed this one, but I'm going to explain exactly why it is the best online business to start in 2019 and beyond. So just stay tuned and I'll tell you why is that. So the reason is it takes a lot of time out of, a lot of work out of actually creating an online business. You have no products, for example. You also have no customer service. So those two things are something that people that have started online businesses before actually know about really well, because customer service is a massive headache. It's something that you really don't want to have to deal with. It's something really stressful, a lot of things that you don't want to do, and that is why it is very, very stressful, because people come back, they're unhappy. But with affiliate marketing, you don't have to deal with any of this. It's really, really simple. Like, all you have to do is actually drive traffic to somewhere and actually, make some money that way. So that is why it is probably the best online business to start. But that's not the only thing. Since you have no products, you don't have to deal with getting things shipped to you, or products shipped to you, running out of anything. There's nothing that comes along with that. Also, you have very, very little money to spend, because a lot of businesses out there, you do have to spend quite a bit of money. But with this, you don't have very much money to spend at all, because you don't have to have any products or anything like that. So the only thing that you do have to spend some money on is actually, creating a sales funnel. So creating a sales funnel, if you're unaware, it's, when people, enter their email for some reason, they want to get something from you, and, you send in through a funnel. So they get emails, helping them out and also promoting the products that you have. So if you don't know how to create a sales funnel, you can check out, I made a video, a whole series actually last week, where you can check out every single, every single thing that you need to actually creating a sales funnel. It's very simple. I did everything for you, a real how-to, so there's nothing that is left untouched on that. It's very simple. So if you're wondering how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description, or maybe in the card somewhere up there or up there, and you can absolutely check that out. So that's the only thing that you do need to spend some money on, but it's very cheap. So if you're wondering how to actually do the affiliate marketing, I'm going to get not very into detail, but give you a quick explanation. So what you do is you want to have some people that have to, like, you need some traffic some way or another. That can be creating YouTube videos on a specific subject. That can be ads. Ads are a bit more expensive, so if you don't have very much money, I suggest creating content. YouTube is a great way to do that. But you can do that with Instagram, with a blog. It really depends on what you want to do. If I were to choose, I would say YouTube and a blog, because those two are search engine related and they're not social media. Which, social media, things go away really fast, so you do have to create content a lot, like all the time. But on YouTube or a blog, you know, people can find your content years from now. So that's one thing that you need to do. So once you have that, as I said, you do need to have a sales funnel. You know, you need to create that. That's a fact that you just need to have to do that. So I just talked about that very short time ago. So the next thing is you actually need to have a product. If you don't have a proper product that you want to sell, well, you're not going to make any money. You might be doing everything perfect, but if you have nothing to sell, you're not making money. So how do you find that product? It really depends on your niche. It really depends, but what you really want to look out for is one, it's legit. You don't want to scam people, because that's, you know, the worst thing. You want people coming back. You want people to like your content. You want people to like you. So that's very important. Have a product that actually helps people. The next thing is either it pays you a lot of money, you know, fast, which, you know, high ticket products do. If you're selling something for $1,000 or you get $1,000 commission, then you're going to get something that's going to, you know, make some money fast. The second thing that you can do is something that pays you recurring, you know, every single month, for example. So, you know, something where people pay every month, pay an online fee, then that's a great product as well, because people will actually pay you every single month. So you can just pile that up all the time, because, you know, your first customer will stay, keep paying you, and then you get a second one, a third one, a fourth one. And yes, people will drop off, but at the end of the day, you know, you're still making more. So that's the, you know, very simple thing that, you know, I wanted to make a quick video for the people that really want to understand affiliate marketing a bit more. I will make some more detailed videos in the future, but I really wanted to talk about this first. So there you go. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. I've got plenty of more content, you know, helping you build an online business, you know, sales funnels, helping you exactly, you know, a ton of stuff about that. So if you want to do that, make sure that, you know, if you want to make some money online, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.